Now we are going to implement single linked list using C language. So here I have created the structure. Like I have created the main method. You can able to see here that main method is there. Within while loop, I have the insert, display, delete. Okay, while one, I am going to call all these things. Okay, I am going to call all these things. So by this uh, we can able to call any method at any point of time. So in case one, enter a value, and here we are going to write the insert function named as v insert. There is v display. Okay, value display, then delete, and then exit and search. Okay, so and here I have created the body here. Okay, I have created the made the body here, and here are the prototypes are declared. And one another header file is required for is exit 0, that is it has include uh, stdlib.h. Okay, so now we are going to implement the single linked list. So first, what is our goal? Our goal is to create a particular structure. Okay, this structure is like this. In this structure, what we are going to do, we have this part is named as value, and this part is named as address. We are going to create this particular structure or this particular template. Okay, so for this, what we are going to do, we are creating a struct, writing struct is link. Okay, is link, there are two different variables. One is intval, and another one is struct is link pointer address. So address is a variable and which is pointing or which is storing the base address of another structure. So that is the reason it is also called self-referential structure. Now what we are, for this no memory space is allocated. Now what we are doing, actually we have created this template. Okay, we have created this template. Okay, now first what we will do, we will create a head. Okay, this is our variable which is named as h. This variable is named as h. Okay, so initially I will assign null here. So I will create a pointer variable which is stored the base address of the first node of the linked list. So it is struct is link is the data type, and pointer head h8 is the variable. Okay, inside main, my first job is to assign each as null. Those who have not able to understand, please go through the theoretical explanation of the linked list. Okay, so I have assigned each as null. Now where I will go, I will go to directly the insert function. In insert function, I will first, what is our goal? Our goal is to create, our goal is to, so here I have made this particular value I have as a null. I have created this as null. This is null now. Okay, this is null now. This is null now. Now what, I our goal is to create a new node at any place. Okay, so say for example, and that having this particular structure. So how I will create this particular structure? Okay, I will just call a function whose function name is malloc. Within malloc, I will pass size of the particular data type. Data type in name is struct is link. Okay, so this is our data type, and I will return the value, and we must typecast because we are getting the value from the address is value, and that must be similar to the data type where we are going to store the address. Okay, so that is struct struct is link pointer. Okay, and here is the equal Here is variable name is, say for example, k is the variable. Okay, k is the variable where I am going to store the base address. So what will happen now, and I have to declare struct struct is link and pointer k. So k is the variable which is declared as struct is link data type, and it is pointer type. So what happened now, right now what happened in memory, this type of structure is created. Say for example, the base address of this location is 7000, any value, it is an base address. Now this base address is stored inside one place, that variable name is k. Okay, this is the k, this is the k. Okay, and k is having the base address value, that is 7000. Okay, is having the value, that is 7000, and by this k is pointing this location, k is pointing this location. Okay, now what, now we will assign the value part, in the value part, that x value. So I will assign the value part as value. I will assign the value x value, and this will be referred by k arrow val. So k arrow val equal x. So by this way, I will assign in the value part x value, and k arrow address part will be assigned as null. Okay, so this is assigned as null. That means this part is the value. Say for example, I want to assign any value. Say for example, I want to assign any value, like I want to assign 20 value. So 20 will be assigned here, and the next part will be assigned as null. So this is the scenario right now. Now what, now our goal is to make the link. Okay, so I want to store, and our next goal is to store, delete this null. I want to delete this null. So our goal is to delete this null, or in the place of null we want to store, we want to say for example, our in this place we want to store this null. In the place of null we want to store this, in the place of null we want to store a value, that value is 7000. This is our goal. So how we will do it? So we will first check whether this head, if age equal null, if age equal null, then I will assign this head by, I will change this value by k. I will make change this value. In else case, yes, we will, else case means there are few variables are already there. So in else case, what is the scenario? In else case, say for example, these are the different nodes which are already created. These are the nodes already created, the some nodes already created, and the situation is like this is 7000. Say for example, these are the different nodes. This is a node, this is a node, this is a node. Say for example, the values are here. Say for example, its base address is 9000, its base address is 5000, its base address is 4000. Okay, these are the values. Now this location is null, this location is null. Assign the value. So this location is null. This location, assuming 85 value is there, here 5000 value is there. Okay, here 5000 value is there. Here assuming 22 value is there. Here uh, 89 value is there, and this location is storing the base address, that is 9000 is here. Here it is storing, in the place of null, this null is deleted, assuming this null is not there. In the place of null, 4000 value is there. In this place 4000 value is there. Okay, so the link is already created, the link is created like this. The link is, so this is pointing, so assuming this is pointing this one, this is pointing 4000. Okay, 4000. So this one is pointing 4000, this is pointing this location, and this is pointing this location. Now this is the scenario. Now we want to insert some value. So this is not the k. Now this is not the k. We have called the function again, and we have allocated a new memory. We have allocated new memory. In the new memory, assuming the base value is stored, the value is stored, that is, say for example 74, and next location is null. Okay, next location is null. Okay, this is the scenario right now. And we have the k, this one is the k, this one is the k right now. And inside k, the base address, assuming here it is 6000. Okay, 6000 is the base address, and it is holding in the base address 6000. Okay, now what will happen? Now what will happen? Our goal is what? We have to reach this place. We want to reach this place means where the null is there. Our goal is to, in this place of null, in the place of null, I have to assign 6000. I have to assign 6000. This is our goal. This is our goal. So if I do that, then this link will be created, and this way the link will grow. So what will I will do? I will create a variable m, and inside m I will copy 7000, and I, by copying 7000, I will just go for this address. I will say, check whether this address is null or not. That means m arrow address part. This is my address part. Is it a null? No. If it is not, I will change the m. Again, I will come here m. Now the value of m is equal to m arrow address. That is 5000. Then this 4000. Then I will go to 5000, and this way I will reach that particular place where the base address part is null. So I will, in at last, m will occupy what value? 5000 value, because m arrow address is null. So in that m I will assign this k. So this is our goal. So let's have a look. In else case, I will copy the variable m equal h head, and file file uh, m arrow address not equal to null. Then I will just move forward. M equal m arrow address, m equal m arrow address. I'll just move forward when come out of that particular loop, and that means I have reached to the last node whose address part is null. So I will now assign this this m arrow address part. I will assign as this value, that is the value is k. Okay, by this we can able to insert all the values. Now we are going to implement the display function. In display, first we will check if the head h equal null. That means there is no element. Printf empty list is empty. Okay, so in else case, I will just move forward and print the value. So again, I will declare some m. I will declare some n, copy the head, or never we will move the head variable, the value of the head variable. If we move it, then we will lose the whole list. Okay, so I will have the m here. So while m arrow address not equal to null, I will move forward. I will move forward. Here I will write just printf d m arrow value val. Okay, so by this we can able to print all those values. Now every step m equal m arrow address, I will run till the end. Okay, so m is declared will be as struct struct s link pointer of what? M. Yes, M. M is there. Now at last, think about the play case where this M arrow address is null. That means the loop will go out because M, this 85 value will not be printed. So to print this 85 value, we will come back again, and outside of this while loop I will just print one M arrow value. Okay, so by this way we can able to print the elements which are present in the we have which are inserted in the linked list, and by this insert function we can able to insert all the values. Okay, now let's have a look, execute this program, and then if there is any error then we will check it. Okay, it is showing some error, aim is undeclared. Okay, I have not declared aim, so yes, I have to declare aim. Error are good for us, they tell us about what mistake or typo we have made. Okay, so this is running, the code is running. Now enter your choice. Now at this point if I print to display, so empty list. Okay, if I enter 1, the values enter a value, say for example if I have entered 12, enter HS 1 56 199. Now if I want to display 2, then look here, 12 56 99 are displaying. So now this way, if I again one enter your choice, 14 188 1 enter 99, whatever, if I display now, then all the values are inserting in the linked list in the border. Okay, now we can implement other functions like this. We have not implemented delete and a search function, so I suggest you all please implement all these functions. In the next video I will show you how we can implement the delete, any values, delete from first, delete from last, delete for the end, and that's how search will work. So but before that I suggest you to please try it by yourself. Thank you all for today.